This is horizontal type tool. Okay, see, type, not title.
Horizontal. Yes.
Type.
Okay.
See, type tool.
Okay.
So just click here. Okay, then you can write like this. Okay, now if you want to change the text settings, so you can click here like font family, you can select font style, this bold, italic, regular you can use. Okay, from here you can select font size. If you want more than 72, you can write here like 100 pixels, or same thing you can press control T in Windows and command T here, and you can change the size like this. Okay, you can change color from here. So, okay, this is horizontal type tool. Then next is vertical type tool. Simple like this. It's vertical. Slide vertically like this. Open any image. Now use horizontal type mask tool. If you write something here, like you know, hmm? Now this is a selection. Okay, so you can go to edit, copy, or control plus C in Windows, and then copy, and you can paste here. See,
Okay. So what is the name of this tool?
horizontal type mask tool. Okay,
So you need to upload an image.
then control D or command D for deselect. You know, see, vertical type mask tool. This is will type vertically simple. It will make a selection vertical, then you can copy and paste in another place. Okay.